Alright, have you ever hop onto Roblox, go to any game that's kind of violent and just see this? And if you randomly just have this, then don't worry, I'll show you how to fix this in this video as well. So no more wasting around, there's timestamps down below, let's get started. So the first step is to get to your Roblox homepage by going to roblox.com and signing in. Once you have signed in, you want to go to the top right and go to the settings. Click on that, click on settings. When you're here, you want to go ahead and go down to privacy. And then as you can see, account restrictions are enabled. This setting basically only lets you access content that is appropriate for every single age group. So like Murder Mystery 2, Arsenal and whatnot, they are not suitable for all ages because of, you know, their content. So that's why, or this may have automatically been on, I don't know. Just if it's on, then just turn it off. Alright, so once you've turned that off, you want to go ahead and go down to parental controls. When you're here, you'll say allowed experiences, just click on 13 plus. You may need to add an email if you haven't had already, so just go ahead and add your email. Once you put on your email, make sure it's been verified. Yep, it's been verified right here. When it's done, go back to parental controls, click on 13 plus. It will ask you to create a pin, a random 4-digit pin. I'm just going to create a random one. You can do like 00000 if you want. And then a one-time verification code. A one-time code has been sent to your registered email. It's going to give you an email. You're going to have to quickly get it and put it in. You have a countdown right there. Alright, now we need to enter the same pin. Click on unlock. And yep, once it's done, you can just turn off parental pin. You can go back to roblox.com, go back to Arsenal, and yep, there's the play button right there. So yep, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and if you're looking at other videos like how to make a shirt on Roblox or how to fix Roblox's FPS, I got both videos right here so you guys can watch.